simply you need to search VS Code and you can install this VS Code. Means my system is Linux. So for me, this option it is showing, but you can install for if you which system you are using. Windows, I hope Windows.
Yes, sir, Windows.
And what about you, Jhansi?
Set 11, sir.
Uh, Windows 11. Okay. Uh-huh. Windows 11, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So install this software, VS Code. Just download VS Code. And one more thing that you need to install, Miniconda. Just type Miniconda. So this is a lighter version of Anaconda. So Anaconda is basically a data science library or package, you can say. So it has all the required libraries to run basically data science related thing. So install the Miniconda. Okay, just go to download section and just maybe you need to sign in. Just sign in with okay, and after signing directly, let's say if you are using Windows, then go to either you can use this Windows 64-bit graphical installer, okay, or view downloads, yeah, that you can install for Windows. And then after executing this, it will install the Miniconda. Okay, so these two library, so these two, one is VS Code and other is a Miniconda that is required to basically required to write a code in VS Code related to GenAI or any Python code. That is also helpful. One more software that you can install, that is a Ollama. Okay, so Ollama is a means right now. Let's say if you are using a ChatGPT or any other, but ChatGPT you cannot use it in your program, right? Means that is a graphical interface. Let's say if you have to use a ChatGPT in your program or while creating any application, you will require some API key. Okay, but let's say if you want to use it in your local system and you don't want to purchase any API key, because API key you need to pay something to use API. Okay, so just install Ollama. Okay, go to download section, and here also for Windows you can simply download for Windows, required Windows 10 or later, that is the requirement, but download for Windows. Okay, so with the help of this software, Ms. Ollama, you can use GenAI models. So let's say these are GenAI models, Qwen, DeepSeek, Gamma. Okay, different models are there. So this model are nothing but GenAI model by which you can generate any text. If you ask anything, it will give reply similar to ChatGPT. And in some cases, it will also able to, let's say if you upload any image, it will give what are the things present inside that image. Okay, let's say if you've given some handwriting, it will be able to uh, find the text that is present in the um, that document. Okay, so Qwen 3 is one of the thing. So with once you install the Ollama, you can access all these models which are present here. Okay, like vision, embedding. So they're different model. And if you want some extra, or so there is one most software similar to VS Code, anti-gravity. So this launched is, I think 5-10 days before. If you see maybe news, 1 week ago. Okay, so this is called vibe coding. So means this also you can install. Okay, so nowadays most of the companies or most of the people who working in IT industry or in some, if they are not working also, many people are using vibe coding. So vibe coding is nothing but, let's say if you do not want to write your code, right? The coding you want to do, let's say if you want to give some instruction in the form of natural language. Let's say you want you want to give machine, you want to to give some instruction, write a code for adding two number, or let's say if you want to write a give an instruction, create a front end UI, or let's say if I want to deploy some model in AWS, give me the instructions, okay, or give me the syntax. So this vibe coding will basically help you to write those things through instruction. So even let's say for example, this is one of the class. Yeah. So in VS Code also, in right side there are some, means you can chat, means you can write code. So this is a VS Code means interface, how it look like. Let's say if I want, let me show you anti-gravity. Okay, so this is also installed in my system. So let's wait for, okay. So here uh, in anti-gravity also, so if you see the right side window is the rightmost, okay, so there is a window where you can, let's say I want to uh, write a code for simple Python class for user profile login. Okay. So what it will do, uh, so it will basically, it will write the code. Okay. So you just given the instruction and it will write the code for you. Okay. Let's say if you accept, so it will run this code as well. Okay. And if it found any bug, it will solve that bug as well. Okay. So this is very useful, but this is means my suggestion is use this once you learn Python and GenAI, because let's say if it give a wrong code, okay, and let's say if you want to change something, then unless you understand how the code will work, so this is already a complex code because this is a class. So if you want to debug, or if you want to edit something, want to add some extra, in that scenario it will be difficult. Okay. To so proper Python knowledge is important. Then once you have knowledge, or once you gain some expertise, then if you use these tools, like this is a vibe coding tool, so this will be super useful. Similarly, there are other vibe coding tool as well, Claude Code, Cursor ID. Okay, uh, for example, but this anti-gravity is a free software. So let's say this is a cursor also give you the same thing. Okay, there are many platform, cursor, then windsurf. Okay, so that is also a vibe coding, means all these are developed on top of VS code. Okay, here also you can write a code using giving instruction. Okay, similarly Claude code is there. Okay, so this is a Claude code. So here you can give instruction through terminal. Okay, so through command prompt you can give instruction and it will execute the files, create a code. So that is also very powerful. Okay, so this is so just install right now, just install VS Code, Miniconda and Google Anti-Gravity. Okay, so these three softwares are important for GenAI. Okay, and so this is about softwares that are required. So VS Code, Ollama, just search Ollama, it will give this thing. Okay, then so just I have one question for you people. Which are the mm, let's say ChatGPT? Have you heard ChatGPT? I think
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
apart
sir.
apart from ChatGPT, what else or what uh, similar to ChatGPT?
Gemini, sir.
Gemini
Gemini
Perplexity.
Gemini.
and yeah, good. And any other?
DeepSeek.
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 Okay, else? Any other? So you have heard DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, and ChatGPT, right?
ChatGPT.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me show you some more on that list. Let's say increase there. So there is one called Anthropic. Okay. So this is a Claude. So this is also similar to ChatGPT, and this performance is better than ChatGPT in some cases, and especially for coding purpose. Okay, so and this is also developed by ChatGPT or OpenAI company people. Means some people left the company and they created some new company named called Anthropic and also known as a Claude. Okay, so this is also one of the similar to ChatGPT. Then Qwen is also there. Okay, so Qwen AI. So there also this is also a very good model. Okay, that also you can use if you want. Um, Similarly, there are inference.net. Okay, so this is also one of the product. Mistral, have you heard Mistral? This is also means Mistral is also one of the model. Then Llama, have you heard Llama? Llama. So Llama is developed by Facebook or Meta. Okay, so this is also one of the chat similar to Chat GPT, or this is all these are basically in background LLM model is running. Okay, so in Chat GPT, Anthropic, all this in background, some LLM model is running. Okay. Uh, yeah, so Frontier, Mistral, Qwen, Anthropic, and there are lots of other, even Grok. So Grok is developed by um, what we call Twitter or Elon Musk company. Okay, Grok
Yes.
AI. Yeah, X.com. Right. So this is also one of the LLM. Means in all of this, in background, LLM model is running, and this is the front end. In back end, some LLM model is running. Okay. So this is Grok. Similar to GROK, there is one more that is Grok. Okay. So this is also means let's say start building it. It will provide some free API key as well to use. Okay. So that is also Grok basically host many open source model. So Playground, if you go to Playground, you can use different models. Okay. Llama, Whisper, alag. There are so many models and you can generate API key and you can use it locally. Okay. Similarly to Grok, there is Together .ai, Together AI. Okay. So yeah, so this is also one of the means place where you can create API, means take API, but this is paid one. Uh, yeah, and if you have to download some any free open source model, there is a Hugging Face. So just wanted to know, let's say ChatGPT is one of them, right? GPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, currently 5.1 is going on, right? So there are lots of models, right? So just wanted to, so NVIDIA also have a model, Facebook. So all these model, free open source model. Open source means they have given, people can use freely in, if they want to install locally, they can. Okay. So just one question. So how many models you think uh, that is available, or uh, just I want you to guess what will be the number of models or LLM models that are available. Any number that you want to guess. Means just as an example, GPT has 5 LLM model. Okay. Yeah.
Total, sir.
Huh.
28 lakhs or 20 lakhs.
Yeah. 22 lakh 44,508 different types of LLM models are there. Okay.
Okay.
So there are lots of LLM models, and so and these are mainly the open source model. Uh, so in Hugging Face, basically they host open source model, and if you see also here text generation, any to any, image to text, image to text, image text to text, image to image, text to image, text to video, text to speech, and 42 others. Okay. So there are all sort of models are available to generate something. Okay. So since all these models generating either image, speech, text, video, it's generating something. So because of that, its name is a generative AI. So the learning that we do regarding this, we call it as a generative AI. Okay. And for agentic AI, the base is generative AI. And so once you, because in agentic AI also, all in agentic AI code, LLM model is only running, and there are some programming that we do. So that basically is a agentic AI. So where we apply different LLM model and give different tasks with the help of LLM. So that is basically agentic, means that it means the base of agentic AI is a Gen AI. Okay. So that also we will see. So yeah. So I do not want to start Python today. Um, So just install the software that I have told you. Okay. And I will send you the recording of this session as well. Any question?
Google anti-gravity showing Linux version, but my laptop is Windows, sir.
Okay. So means I haven't checked whether Windows is available or not. Okay. Then maybe, okay, right now it is not required. Maybe in after, once we learn the Python and GenAI, then we will start that uh, by
Google
coding.
anti. Okay, sir.
Yeah. But you can install some other if you want, but that is right now it is not required.
Okay,
Just
sir.
for your information only, I have told you, okay,
Okay.
anti-gravity and other, so that you know what are the other coding platforms are there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right now, download VS Code, Miniconda, Ollama.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, Jhansi, you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then um, the next class I will send the timing in that group only. Okay.
Sir,
So
I
try
have a
to
doubt.
install. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, VS Code I'm downloading in Microsoft Store.
Uh-huh.
No problem.
No problem. Yeah, you can
Oh,
install.
yeah, okay, sir. In Windows version.
Haha. Because VS Code is developed by Microsoft only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. Good day.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.